This Htostar Racing LS intake manifold is designed for cathedral port engines and gives long block swaps a cleaner, more performance-oriented package than the factory composite unit. The 102mm inlet and taller plenum height are clearly aimed at supporting higher airflow for built naturally aspirated or boosted street and strip combinations. Thick T6061 aluminum construction with integrated vacuum and manifold absolute pressure ports makes the manifold feel robust and easy to plumb for gauges and accessories. The drive-by-cable throttle body comes preloaded with idle air control and throttle position sensors, simplifying installation on older chassis that never used electronic throttle control. Flow capacity and pressure ratings are generous enough that the manifold does not become the choke point as you add camshaft, cylinder heads, and exhaust upgrades. Compatibility with factory-style injectors on many LS applications, plus spacer options for others, makes this a flexible upgrade for a wide range of General Motors performance builds.